Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to open settings by app on click in sketchware. So at first I am creating an app naming open settings. Here you go. Now here I am setting a button and naming here settings. If we click on this button, settings will be opened. Now button on click, add source directly. You can get this code in the description box. Now I'm gonna run the app. Here you go, the app is installing. Wait for a few seconds. Here you go. Now if I click on this button, the settings will be opened. Here you go, the settings is opened. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please like it and share our videos. Thank you.